I had hoped to install the steering wheel shaft and steering wheel today, but upon closer examination of this steering knuckle, the hole in here is completely reamed out, and it will never fit in there and stay secure. It'll always be wobbling around. And I can get another one for about 15 or 20 bucks, so I'm going to order one of those. So that's got me on hold. In the meantime, I was taking the time to put the magneto on this hit and miss engine that I bought some time ago. And there's the magneto right there, all nice and shiny, restored. And I've gassed this thing up and put new gaskets in the crankcase and put oil in it. Let's see if we can get this thing started. And here it is. First crank. Of course, I like to play with it to really learn how it operates in the copper gas mixture. But my goal with this thing is to clean it up, get it painted, get a nice John Deere logo on it, and don't have any idea what I'm going to do with it. In any event, I didn't know what I was going to do with the tractor. All for now. One thing I learned, poured water into the reservoir for the cooling, and the plug is missing, so it all runs out, so I can't let it run too long. But adjusting the choke and the gas mixture is just going to be problematic. It's running pretty smooth right now. They used to use these things for pumps and saws and all sorts of applications on the farm. This is a 1.5 horsepower. They got a much larger than this. This is a tiny one. Maybe I'll figure out a way to turn an ice cream truck with it. That's what some people do. Okay, more later.